happened, Chef?
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby. Y'all see the spread?
They like, fat ass is eating Jollibees again?
Nah, it's different this time. It is different. You want to tell them why it's different?
It's different because we got that beloved sauce.
Yeah, I knew it was coming.
You know.
I knew it was coming.
You know.
I sure did. Yeah, today we are having a Jollibee mukbang with beloved sauce.
Yup.
You know we love that sauce. You know she know we love that sauce. Yo, make sure y'all tag beloved in this video.
Oh yeah.
Comment below, tag her.
Yes.
And while you there, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Because it's going to be a banger.
Yes,
Woo!
guys. Bring a friend to come watch this with you guys.
Yes. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everybody else, make sure y'all join the family. Hit that subscribe button now.
Oh yeah.
All right. So we're already telling them what we're doing. We're doing Jollibees. If you don't know what Jollibees is, it's a Filipino fast food chain. They're famous for their fried chicken. So we having some Filipino fried chicken.
And this spaghetti.
Oh, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the video
What?
right here. When we first tried it, guys, make sure y'all go check out our first time trying Jollibees. Yo,
Oh my god.
This spaghetti is banging.
So delicious.
No, not banging. It's bussin'.
Oh, bussin'.
It's bussin'. Sheesh.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yo, it's about to go down. Yo, let's jump right into this. Let's say grace and let's crack-a-lack it.
All right.
You ready?
Yup. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. We ask that you bless it before we eat it. Amen. Let's eat, boo.
What kind of grace is that, guys? Hold on. Grace. There we go. Let's go. Let's eat what we busting first.
I have to do.
Ooh.
You know, I have to.
I'm gonna unbox the gravy. Yo, they come with gravy.
Yeah, I guess you're supposed to dip your fries or your chicken in the gravy. If you order either or, you get in this thing of gravy.
Ooh. Oh, I'm unboxing. I'm unboxing. Oh,
And I love how
we can get a thumbnail.
I love how the chicken has a flag in it.
Come on, let's get this
Let me
thumbnail.
get a piece of chicken.
No, we're gonna get the thumbnail first. You ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Y'all see inside there? Y'all see all that? Yo, we got the spicy.
Yeah.
All of it. You see the little toothpicks labeled spicy?
It's so cute.
Ooh, let's go. We got the fries. I'm gonna get some fries.
Got some fries. We got some
fries
spaghetti.
on my plate. Mm-hmm.
If y'all saw our first video, you'll see what the spaghetti look like. If this is your first time tuning in, let me show you what the spaghetti look like. They got little pieces of sausages in it. Look at that.
Yeah, but
Amazing.
the chicken is black in my spaghetti.
Chicken's black in your spaghetti?
Yo, this spaghetti is
Go
banging.
ahead, put some.
Sure.
No, let's go.
It's about to go down, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, this spaghetti is banging. It has like a sweet taste.
I don't know what they do this to spaghetti. But when we first went there, we were just like, this is a fried chicken spot. Why they got spaghetti? We ain't getting no spaghetti, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And then we got to the front, we saw everybody ordering some spaghetti. We just like, we got this spaghetti, right?
Yeah. Facts. What we trying first? Going for the fries. Fries and some beloved sauce. Yeah, you said it. I agree.
I didn't say nothing. What did I say? I didn't even say nothing.
Oh, I mean, oh shit.
I mean, there's our homemade pepper sauce. And we got some ketchup too.
I hope you guys made that already. Ready?
Can you drop the link to our homemade pepper sauce? Right there, or right there?
Yeah, right there. I just dropped it. You see that?
You know what?
Dropped it.
Make sure you got homemade pepper sauce. The longer you let it sit, the stronger it is.
Yo, these fries and this meatloaf sauce is amazing. I think meatloaf sauce makes everything amazing.
I think so. I think we run it low on meatloaf sauce.
You run low.
We do this shit with everything.
I think she got a sales again. Like a 40% off sale.
Girl. I don't know what you did with this sauce. You put your foot in it, I think. I think that's what you did. Because it's like crack to us. It's like straight crack.
Guys, if you haven't tried meatloaf sauce, make sure y'all go try it. Comment below if you tried it. It's really good.
It is really good. Listen. The other day, right? I had some leftover. And I was just like, oh, I'm kind of hungry. But I didn't feel like cooking. I went right around the corner to Crowd Fried Chicken. And I was just like, oh wait, I got some beef sauce in the fridge. I ate that shit right up.
That's crazy.
It was amazing.
So you put it in the fridge and reheated it.
I sure did.
I hear you. I'm ready to try this
spaghetti or chicken?
Spaghetti. You gotta say the chicken. The best for last.
All right.
Come
on.
Right. About to try the spaghetti. Did y'all see the spaghetti?
The last time we had gotten the spaghetti, no lie, they gave us like 2 sausages in it. This thing is loaded.
No, we had one sausage.
Oh, one sausage?
Don't lie.
I can remember.
No, you just trying to lie. You trying to lie.
No, I couldn't.
No, it was one.
It was one. My bad.
And you asked me, yo, you want to split this? Like, what the
You probably right.
Yeah.
I was being thoughtful and considerate. I was going to share it with you.
There's like Vienna sausages or like salchichas in there. And it was one the last time we got it. But we got one order and we shared it.
Yeah, because we wasn't sure about no spaghetti at a fried chicken spot.
Yo, but now we got 2.
We got our own
Yeah. I'm going to tell you how this tastes. Guys, go to Jollibee. We went to the one in Roosevelt.
I mean, there's a few out here. There's one in the city.
That's true.
I think there's one in Long Island too.
I don't even know.
But they are so good. One time, I came from the office and took an extra train just to go to Jollibee's in the city. And brought it home. Like, look what I got. He was like, you fat mother. What you get us?
Oh, good. Alright. I should go to Jollibee's.
Amazing.
I wonder how the spaghetti tastes in the meatloaf sauce.
Alright, you let me know. Sometimes you've gone too far. You're gonna have spaghetti floating in the sauce.
Give me 10 likes, I'll try it.
10
What?
10 likes?
Yeah, that's it. Give me 10 likes.
Okay.
I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count the likes. If I get 10 likes, I'm gonna try the spaghetti and the meatloaf sauce. Hurry up.
This spaghetti is so good.
The fries is good. Look, we got 3 likes. Look at that.
I don't know what they put in the spaghetti. I think sugar or crack.
Yeah, I think it's crack cocaine.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep.
I like
That's
it.
what I think it is.
And I don't really like Vienna sausages, but I mess with this.
Look, 6 likes. Look, we get up there.
We're almost there.
We're getting there. 4 more, guys.
We're almost there.
4 more likes. Come on. We can do it. Not trying chicken until I get 10 likes.
Guys, chef and chefettes, can y'all let us know if y'all try Jollibee's, what's your favorite dish from there?
The peach mango pie.
That's really good.
It's really good.
There's some things we haven't tried there. Like they have like this steak with like mushrooms on it, and I think mashed potato. Is it rice?
It's like mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Yeah, we haven't tried that. We haven't tried their rice.
9 likes.
So there's a few things. So if y'all see another video, take 4 or 5.
I think we just made it 10 likes. I see it. Is that 10?
Can you pour it? Nah, no,
Spaghetti and beef sauce. What y'all know about that?
Thank you for not dropping those spaghetti in the sauce. Is it everything you had hoped for?
Better.
Really? You just saying that shit so I can dip my spaghetti.
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. They're not good. Nasty. You're not gonna like it. No.
No.
No, you won't like it.
Watch me see you dip another thing.
Nah, you won't like it. Don't do it. Oh, I lost my spoon.
Mm-hmm.
5 second rule. I wasn't lying.
Exactly.
I wasn't lying.
For lying.
I was not lying. I was telling the truth. You're not gonna like it. It's not good.
He was telling the truth. Right. Exactly.
Don't do it.
Lies.
Ew. Nasty.
I thought that was spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti. Nasty.
We're about to do that shit in there again,
No,
right?
I won't. I mean, it's just like this. It's just like this. It's like it's boring. Yo, this shit is banging. Oh my god.
Really? I'm gonna just pour a little bit over here.
No, I wouldn't lie to you.
Yo, that was your second one.
I would not. Yo, spaghetti and Smakalicious sauce. I'm all tongue tied. Yo, it's banging. Oh my god. This thing
Is it orgasmic?
Orgasmic? No, this is freaking.
Orgasmic is, I mean.
No, it's past orgasm.
Okay. Oh, wow.
This is like. You see the white light. This is how it is. You see the white light.
That was very good.
I'm telling you.
That was really good.
Don't eat no more.
Yep.
Don't eat no more. No.
Right, because it's not good, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's your third spoon. Liar.
4.
What a fat ass.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's really good.
I think we've come up with like a creation. Something new. Comment below if you tried this yet. I don't think nobody's tried this.
B love sauce with
Spaghetti?
spaghetti?
Holy crap. The spaghetti's good. And then the sauce is good. You combine it, it's bang!
That is really good. That was a good idea, boo.
It sure was.
That was a really good idea.
I'm about to go for another one.
I bet you are.
I don't want to look like a fatty on camera.
Oh, no, you?
I don't want nobody judging me.
We ain't judging you.
Yeah, right. Look at this fat squat Philly face.
You would never.
That's all he does do is eat.
Look.
You look good, boo. You look so
Don't
good.
touch me.
You look so fine.
I'm ready for chicken.
You go ahead.
You don't want
Eat
the
your
chicken?
chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna get the chicken right now.
Are you still knocking out spaghetti?
Oh my god, this is very good.
It is.
This is very, very good.
It sure is. Let me do that too.
Why? You already got spaghetti floating in there.
I ain't got no spaghetti in there. What are you trying to lying? You always lying, you know.
I must get it from you. No, this is so terrible. Don't try this. Blah, blah, blah.
There's so many vegetables inside this one.
Yep.
Yeah, but that's for later. I'm saying that for later. That's brunch.
Oh.
Or something like that.
Well, don't put it where I can see because if I eat mine out,
You will not eat mine.
all right.
I'm ready to try
You
this
gotta sleep
chicken.
at some point.
I'm ready to try this. Alright. Keep playing. You gonna wake up with no socks. Tied to the bed.
Good for you.
Keep playing with me. I'm ready to try this chicken and Smakalicious sauce.
Oh my god, that spaghetti is amazing.
It is, right? With the meatloaf sauce? I'm telling you. You didn't even try the Jollibee's gravy yet.
You know, alright.
Let me try it. It's feeling lonely over there in the back. That gravy's really good too, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's really good. I'm gonna try chicken.
I mean, it ain't Smakalicious sauce, but it's good.
I'm gonna compare it.
Alright, go ahead.
Chicken and Smakalicious and chicken and gravy. Alright, I'm ready to dig in, guys. Take a look. I'm sorry.
I already ate.
I ain't gonna feel a bite of nothing.
Me neither.
See the chicken? We're gonna dip this chicken in the Smakalicious. Roll it around. Ooh, look at this
That
shit.
look good.
Look at this. Nope, don't watch my food.
I'm not watching your food.
Don't watch my food.
I'm not watching your food.
Guys, look at this.
I watch your spaghetti.
Don't watch it. Oh.
I watch your spaghetti.
Don't watch my spaghetti. Don't watch none of my food. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Y'all see this? That shit drenched.
Y'all see the onions, the garlic?
Fully coated. You ready? Are you ready to start eating? What the mother's gonna go?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Nah, you ready?
I closed the back. Look, no, I'm ready. Let's go.
This is banging. Yo, if you got a Jollibee next to you or near you, Please go get some spicy chicken.
You got some Amazon Prime. Get yourself some Smakalicious
Get some
Sauce.
Smakalicious Sauce and try this.
It's very good. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. But we told y'all.
It's really good.
And then right here.
This is past orgasmic. It's bang.
I thought it was busting.
It's busting.
Okay.
Guys, we got the spicy sauce.
She has a mild sauce too.
Yeah, if you're a whip. Ooh, I can't eat no more though.
I'm gonna go too. But I'll still F up your spaghetti.
Don't watch my. You got your spaghetti.
Don't worry about my spaghetti. That's my snack.
You got your own spaghetti.
Don't worry about my spaghetti.
Oh,
You had that bucket of chicken.
I'm full.
I'll trade you.
Nope.
I'll trade you my chicken for your spaghetti.
You ain't got no chicken.
That's crazy. So you gonna eat the chicken and the spaghetti?
Yep.
I think the diet sauce are on me.
You said that the last 6 videos. Diet sauce on Monday. Which Monday? Labor Day?
That's in September, right?
Yep.
That Monday.
I know.
I'm full.
Yeah, I'm done. Guys, what do you rate this whole meal?
An 11.
Yeah, I was thinking 13, but yeah, you right.
Yeah.
Guys, get you some Jollibees.
Oh.
Everything was top notch.
So
Game
good.
changing. More than expectation. That's it. I ain't got nothing more to say. I'm good. I'm full. And taste buds is satisfied. You got anything else to say, bro?
Guys, thank you for tuning in with us, watching us, eating dinner with us.
Make sure to like, comment, and
Shop
subscribe.
See it right here? Done. That's it, guys.
And we are out.